Essence of Life is proud to present Jiva Fermented Soy and Curcumin Nutritional Beverage, the essence of wellness. Just one convenient serving a day holds the key to healthy bones, joints, and natural caffeine-free energy. Backed by centuries of use in traditional Eastern and Ayurvedic medicine, Jiva Fermented Soy and Curcumin Nutritional Beverage is a proprietary blend of fermented soy, curcumin, and other herbs and spices. These ingredients in the Jiva Fermented Soy and Curcumin Nutritional Beverage formulation have been thoroughly studied and tested in the United States and Europe. Jiva Fermented Soy and Curcumin Nutritional Beverage formulation contains superior plant-based fermented whole soy proteins. These are rich in isoflavones, essential amino acids, fatty acids, and phytosterols, all of which help support your immune system, inflammation response, and cardiovascular function. It also contains curcumin, the active ingredient present in turmeric, which has powerful antioxidant properties to give you a natural energy boost and a healthy inflammation response. Essence of Life has combined all these ingredients in a single, all-natural, non-pharmaceutical PhytoPower nutritional formula. Available in a 30-day supply canister or an individually packaged 15-day supply packets, simply mix 1 scoop into 8 to 10 ounces of water, soy milk, or non-citrus juice and enjoy. Use daily, Jiva, curcumin, and fermented soy will help you bring your entire body into balance, reach optimal health, and realize your essence of life. Order today.